3 camera angles, synced dialogue, 1 consistent character across every shot. I generated this in a single prompt. No editing, no stitching, nothing. Every AI video tool right now is claiming to be the best. Sora, Runway, Veo. So instead of telling you Kling 3.0 is good, I tested it against the 5 things that break every other model. And by the end, I'll show you where it completely failed. If you want to stay ahead of what's actually working in AI video, subscribe and hit the bell. Kling is built by Kuaishou, a major Chinese tech company. Version 2.6 was already turning heads, but 3.0 is a complete architectural rebuild. The key difference? One unified model. Most competitors split text to video, image to video, and audio into separate systems. Kling 3.0 trains them all together inside one framework. The audio isn't pasted on, the character isn't reconstructed each frame. The camera movement isn't faked in post. You access it through higgsfield. One dashboard, multiple AI video models, 1 login instead of 5 subscriptions. Links below. Claims are easy. Let me put this through the 5 tests that break every AI video model. Test 1, multi-shot coherence. So I'm on the video tab, create video, Kling 3.0 selected. I toggle on multi-shot right above the prompt box. Let's start with the most basic promise. Can it tell a story? Every AI model can generate a pretty clip. The question is whether it holds together across multiple shots. I gave Kling a 3-scene sequence: wide establishing shot, medium dialogue shot, close-up reaction set duration to 10 seconds, ratio 16:9, and hit generate. Most models treat each cut as a brand new generation. Kling kept the same lighting, same wardrobe, same environment across all 3. Up to 6 cuts in a single run, with the model managing transitions, shot sizes, and camera positions automatically. That alone saves hours of post-production. But a good-looking sequence means nothing if the characters can't talk. Test 2. Native audio. Same Create Video tab. I enable sound on next to elements. Type dialogue directly in the prompt. Multi-shot off, 5 seconds, generate. Kling generated lip-synced speech built in, multilingual support, character-level tracking, and the mouth movements actually match. 2 other models. One gave silence, the other drifted out of sync by the second 3. It can hold a scene and it can talk. But does the character look like the same person from shot to shot? Test 3. Character consistency plus omni mode. This is the test that usually destroys AI models. For this one, I drop my reference headshot into the start frame box at the top left, then click elements next to sound on to enable character lock. I asked for the same character across 4 different scenarios. Different angles, different lighting, movement, and I can also tag references using @directly. Kling's Elements 3.0 system locked in the face, outfit, and body proportions throughout. Not perfect. I noticed a slight shift in skin tone under warm lighting, but miles ahead of anything I've gotten from other tools. And there's actually a level above this. Kling 3.0 Omni for Omni, it lets you upload or record a 3 to 8 second character video. And it extracts the visual traits plus the original vocal tone. So when you generate new scenes, the character keeps their look and their voice. Higher reference fidelity, stronger instruction following, more expressive performance. It's the closest I've seen to building a persistent digital actor. Now, characters looking right is one thing, but there's a detail most people overlook until it ruins their video. Text. Test 4. Text rendering. Back on Create Video. I clear the start frame and put the exact text I want in quotes in the prompt. Storefront sign and on-screen subtitles. Most AI models mangle text letters to melt. Words scramble. Kling rendered clean, readable text with minimal distortion. If you're making ads or UI mockups, this saves you from fixing every frame in post. Multi-shot works, audio syncs, characters hold, text stays clean. Last question, how long before something breaks? Test 5, the 15-second stress test. Same setup. Multi-shot off, I want 1 unbroken clip. Most models fall apart after 5 seconds. I pushed Kling to the full 15. A continuous tracking shot of a person walking through a market. The result held. No morphing, no frame drops, no identity drift. At 175 words per minute of narration, 15 seconds gives you enough runway for an actual scene, not just a clip. So 5 for 5. But remember, I said there was one test where it completely fell apart. That's coming right after I explain who should actually care about all this. Content creators, marketers, short-form producers who need volume without a production budget. Kling 3.0 on higgsfield is the strongest value play right now. Plans start under $7 a month. YouTube's been tightening its policy on AI content since mid-2025. Add genuine value, commentary, expertise, original framing. If you made it this far, subscribe and turn on notifications. Next week, I'm testing something that might change how you think about this space. So bottom line, Kling 3.0 handles multi-shot, native audio, character consistency, text rendering, and 15-second generation better than anything I've tested at this price point. It's not flawless, you saw where it breaks. But for production speed and cost, the gap between this and a real shoot is shrinking fast. I'll drop the link below if you want to check it out. They've got a deal running right now that I'll tell you about at the end. Now, if you're serious about AI video, I compared the top 5 models head-to-head in this video right here. That'll help you decide which one actually fits your workflow.